Hello, my dear children. How are you? I think you all are studying well as now the class 10th result is declared and you might have chosen the subject as per your choice. But students, this video that I have brought for you, it is very important for class 10th students. As previously also one video I have uploaded, it was regarding the circular that was circulated in 2019-20. The circular was very important for class 10th students who were given the two options of two subject code of mathematics. Regarding this, we have discussed a lot in the previous video, but there is a big relaxation uh, is given to the students of class 10th, and that is very much important for the students to know. So this video is actually about that. Dear children, though the result is declared and before that only the classes already started and you might have started your studies taking your different subject, but after the result declared there's a lot of confusion among all the students, as the students who have taken maths basic and the students who have taken maths standard. But after the result declaration, now the many students are there, those who are now willing to go for the stream of maths. But as per the previous circular that came in the session of 2019-20, even I discussed with you in detail that what are the provisions. So we are going to discuss both the circular that was circulated in 2019-20 and one in the continuation of that circular, one more circular is given by the CBSE that is actually about the relaxation. So let's discuss first the previous circular that came in 1920, and according to that you have chosen the subject. The circular was actually about the changes that was made in class 10th for the students those who are not willing to go for maths stream for the higher level. They were given the two options of two subject maths code, that is the previously maths standard for 041, and the other more one more was given that was for 241. It was for the students those who were not willing to go for the higher studies with the math subject. But one condition was still kept at that time, that if after taking maths basic, firstly, you cannot take higher classes, you cannot opt maths as a subject. Even then, one provision was made for the students that if after the result declaration, the students want to go for higher classes with maths stream, then surely they cannot go with maths basic. For that, they have to appear in the exam, compartment exam that will be going now in the 2020-21, and after that clearing that exam of maths standard question examination paper, they can go for higher level with maths subject. But the CBSE has sent a new circular that is very important for every student to know, and you have to just check it very thoroughly. What are the changes, why these changes are made? Let's discuss it. So students, actually the circular that was given previously, in continuation of that 2020-21, the board has given one new notification, one new circular, that what it says, as they have given previously one provision that if you have qualified the exam of class 10 board with maths basic, that is subject code with 241, you if you are having one condition to appear in the compartment examination of maths standard, then you can go for the higher classes. But unfortunately, the conditions due to the corona spread, the conditions are worst and there is no surety when the compartment examination will be there. And if the students who are waiting for compartment examination to appear for higher classes with maths stream, it will be very much delayed. For keeping these things in mind, the CBSE board has made a very good change that should be welcomed by all the students. The change circular tells, the change circular is actually about It is telling about a new change that the CBSE has made, that the student, those who want to go for compartment examination with standard math subject, now they have not to wait for that. Instead of that, now the CBSE board has given the relaxation, and the circular came with the name only, the eligibility in the maths stream without maths standard subject. So what we find that now the maths standard is not made compulsory for the students, and if they want to go for higher classes with maths stream, they can take it without appearing in the compartment maths standard examination. So I think लेट वी डिस्कस वंस अगेन कि ये जो चेंज है बहुत वेलकमिंग है, क्योंकि ड्यू टू कोरोना की जो कंडीशंस थी, इसके कारण बच्चों ने बहुत कुछ सफ़र किया है। और जब उनका रिज़ल्ट अच्छा है और यदि वो चाहते हैं कि वो आगे अपना माइंड सेट वो इस तरह से बना रहे हैं कि उनको मैथ्स स्टैंडर्ड, उनको हायर क्लासेस में मैथ्स सब्जेक्ट के साथ ही मैथ्स स्ट्रीम के साथ आगे बढ़ना है, तो उनके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा ये डिक्लेरेशन हुआ है कि आपके लिए अब मैथ्स कंपार्टमेंट, जैसा कि आपको कहा गया था कि आपको यदि मैथ्स बेसिक है तो आपको, यदि इसके बाद आप मैथ्स स्ट्रीम में जाना चाहते हैं तो आपको मैथ्स स्टैंडर्ड 2020-21 में कंपार्टमेंट एग्जामिनेशन में मैथ्स स्टैंडर्ड लेकर के उसको क्वालिफाई करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप मैथ्स के स्टूडेंट 11th क्लास में बन सकते हैं प्योर मैथ्स लेकर के। लेकिन इसमें बहुत बड़ा रिलैक्सेशन CBSE की तरफ से आ गया है, और इफ़ यू अभी आप यदि जाना चाहते हैं मैथ्स स्ट्रीम के साथ में, तो आपको कोई भी कंपार्टमेंट एग्जामिनेशन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है और आप इजीली 11th क्लास में मैथ्स ले सकते हैं। हाँ, लेकिन दिस इज़ वेरी मच श्योर कि इसमें आपको अपनी खुद की एलिजिबिलिटी चेक करना है। केवल ये नहीं देखना है कि आपने ये रिलैक्सेशन मिला और आपने मैथ्स ले लिया। यू हैव टू चेक योर ओन एबिलिटी, वेदर यू विल बी एबल टू score good marks in maths or not in future, and if you have decided to make your future in with math subject, this is the responsibility of the schools also, that they have to check whether the students are really good to take math subject and they can go for further studies with their math subject or not. So this was the circular, and I think you all, those who are interested to go for math subject, taking the maths basic first, and now you were thinking, and now you are planning to go for maths stream, and for that if you were waiting for compartment examination to appear with maths standard, so now these all things are now over and you can go in higher classes with maths stream. I think you all will get a good benefit of it. Go through the circular also that is sent by the CBSE. Thank you.